here with a madman mouth. Me tell you who for mouth me that suck you with. Me that suck you with Shana chin man mouth, gully bop. It's like when you low pan teeth and you full of gum and you miss some gum in your belly. Me that make gully bop gum shan your drape up your so with the mouth.
Me afraid, don't rub me, sir. Me afraid, don't do your friend blood clot enemy. Don't do me that.
Rosalie did tell you. She did tell you.
Yeah.
Then I see Rosalie in one brown suit. Come here, Shay.
And the piece of wig.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
Language, you let them lock up and you sit down so long on people business and you let them lock up. Make sure you double up your panty sheet underneath you. Remember, you keep a passport size you have to show. The only time you show full body when you're in your cadet pants them and you back the phone down this and you stand up yourself. So you give a long distance vision because you don't want to see the truth. Remember say you talk about okay, you live under filter. Not even your husband happy for you. I have a picture of my phone, your belly stay bad, your skin stay bad, your body stay bad. You don't look no different. This is the true you now. This is the true you. You know, don't lose weight. I have a picture in my phone when you're in a one big man underpants and one tube top. You favor one retired butch. Me nah ask you, my baby. Me nah ask you. Your man, your little belly round like one of them tubes that we used to go to Doncaster and we just a float. So, yeah. And now them color the tube them and put them in a green, blue and red and then something there yellow. Yeah. I saw your belly look. Me not ask you Uraban, you shag up looking. I pay high waist. Remember say everyone I hear something them for over your navel. And you say look good girl. You look good girl. Oh even shots over your navel. You have a belly problem. You say she about you. Yeah, you have a belly problem. Your tum it's too yum. And you don't like it. I want to argue with you with abs. I want to spray paint your belly and draw abs. I want to show them how abs can increase. Because all you go on like you're slim and trim and now for go to gym and your skin loose. Your skin loose. I want to roll up your skin so you not even have carpet material. Because we just say you're rough though. Yeah. You're full of chiffon. You're full of chiffon. You're going at the center of the window. Yeah. You're full of chiffon. Me not ask you. Yeah. Now ask you, my baby, you argue with KK, come up, all the case something them fit up on our waist. Can you wear hipsters? Can you? Can you? Me now go in point, I just ask if you can wear hipsters. Okay, she not answer. That's fine. No pressure the thing. No pressure the thing at all. Yeah, so when you fix that, when you fix your trials, you come back a court. Shay, me no want to take it on my program, me no want them things to Uraban. Me no too want to take it on my program, cause me no want them things to wear game up on Uraban.
Come suck me.
Me that suck you with a madman mouth. Me tell you who for mouth me that suck you with. Me that suck you with Shana chin man mouth, gully bop. It's like when you low pan teeth and you full of gum and you miss some gum in your belly. Me that make gully bop gum shan your drape up your so with the mouth.
Me afraid, don't rub me, sir. Me afraid, don't do your friend blood clot enemy. Don't do me that.
Rosalie did tell you. She did tell you.
Yeah.
Then I see Rosalie in one brown suit. Come here, Shay.
And the piece of wig.
No, the wig already.
You don't see the wig.
No, I don't see it up close and personal, but from a distance, Vanessa Williams at work.
Boy.
Where's
Where's that? You
Come
don't see the
here.
wig. You see the wig?
No, I
Listen,
haven't
I'm
seen.
not.
Me not see the wig up front and personal, right? Me see it from a distance. But come here, let us talk
Okay.
about the overall. Who dressed
Right.
Rosalie like that? You see that brown
She
and
fit.
white? That brown and white is giving me moo.
Let me see if the code over here, sir.
Definitely,
Wait.
I'd like to find one for me.
Yes, I'm trying to look if I see any code. Let me. Wait, give me part. Mama cross through. Whoa.
Lord of night, which part you there?
Yes, no corner there. No
I
corner.
remember when I did their Belgium before them did me.
Them deport you. What
They're
the
from
blood clot
Belgium.
there? That why you don't forget deport.
You know, me not really know what I do, but my feel say shoplifting, you know. My feel say
Yeah,
that. Yeah, my feel say that.
yeah. No corner there.
Yeah.
Why?
Now where you go,
Me,
girl?
me just coming from my baby father. Me and my woman. And my baby father and female woman. We went on a dinner date.
This must mad urban and destiny.
Yes, we went on a dinner date. Today I was live with everybody. We went on a dinner date. And we're going out tonight. We're going to a festival.
Sunday night
It's
now, come.
yes,
Cheers.
to go.
Cheers to happy link up.
Cheers, right. Thank you. Good life. Yes, with a big happy family.
So them can't chat to now.
No. So when the woman come from my baby father to them, I just pop up and say, baby father talk to them. My baby father say, hey girl, you're big like out a door. You come by my baby mother. You can't turn me against me. She woman got dig up long time story. Me say, stop behave like a you come give story time for Shay. I mean come give my story time. Here I know. Shay a drug mule, me say present. Member 75 kilo worth.
Who said that?
Miss Urban, like she give story time. She was giving me agenda. Cause blue
Yeah.
and white, it's a
Me not
boy.
ask you. Me not ask you, so it's true. And if your outfit say anything come cause she not the white.
The woman that name not Urban, she name Rural. Bumbo clot.
Rural.
No urban, rural she name.
Yeah,
Rural.
rural. Right. She look diggy at this
I'm
street.
being a nice girl. The
Yeah.
woman post on her YouTube, here I'm tired of being fat and ugly. Come and tell TikTok how you post for your YouTube, you're tired of being fat and ugly.
But even she knows send a like reference, so me know she fight the case. Give it up. Why you fight the case, baby girl? And I hear a confession.
Right. I'm tired of being fat and ugly. Who posts things like that?
That's what I'm telling you, self-esteem low. That's why I couldn't argue with Urban. Me that say strip and make the whole of his skin blowing on the breeze.
Right.
Me go say who firm.
Favor the teacher come in and find the name. What I want the name Puff, the one that goes,
You know, say if you paint her darker than this, you could have put her in a precious too.
our man Favor Dory. That's what she name? Dory.
A man look shy though, like he's a shy boy, was it? You know, a shy batty cat, see me? Like he must say, I don't know what I dragged into, you know. He have a shy man.
She was a side chick first before she turned white.
That is what I remember.
Yeah. She was a side chick first.
What goes around comes around. You girl right here, so Shay.
Yeah.
What goes around comes around. Remember, she confessed that she's a side chick. The man gone, you know. And she have to appreciate the share, you know. Because the same way you get the man, and the same way you lose him. She only a keep time. Me not ask you. Them a live them best life ever because the man not seeing her.
No.
She have to book him.
Book him.
When me and her did cuss, she book her man, but we never hear it. And look how much days me and her cuss, and the man never have no footstep in the argument, right? Because we never hear it. Now the baby did that snore. And you know when me cuss her and tell her about her man by the weekend, you see I put up a picture. You paid for that. You paid for that. You have to book your husband.
Call him on the phone and say, come over because they must say me not have no man.
Exactly, and that me say the same thing me say. And the same thing me say. You saw you make people a class, man. If I even one picture.
Right. She pay feet. The man said,
Yeah,
you have to pay feet. I not come,
of
so.
course.
I don't do your papers already. You have to pay for anything else. Anything additional, pay for it.
The man done, you can't see the man done with her. I saw when girl man done with them, I saw the man behave. You can't find him.
Right now, them send me some information where she live. The number I want to call her husband Gavin. Her name Gavin Channers. I want to call Gavin Channers and say, listen.
Gavin Channels, if you're out there and you reach my voice and you tell her Urban, you have something tight, you and slim. This is not gastric bypass, this is gas.
What's your name? Chana. What's your name? Shaya. Shaya Robert. But you change your name to Chana now. Me get all of them information long blood clot time. Dropping on my hand and me never ask. Are you trouble me, girl? Me never trouble your girl. Yes, me get all of the woman. Me know where the woman live. The woman live in New Jersey.
But the man name again?
Gavin.
Gavin
Chana. Yeah.
Gavin Channel.
Channer.
Give it Channel is
Yes,
out here.
Gavin Chana. Yeah.
Gavin Channel. Don't you want it? How old is?
Sure, yeah,
Which big man this?
Somebody say I'm a classmate. Oh, a classmate was a pig. Still a pig.
Yeah, a classmate is not. Yeah, a classmate is not a pig. A classmate is a swine.
But let's go dig up her file. Here, no? I don't bleach. When I go look on her YouTube, I say nothing. You this a bitch girl I never reach.
Me tell you,
With carrot one.
nothing what she say is true.
Not know what she say is true. Then
How
now
much
she
old
come
man
in one
this I said me
video.
request? How much they do old man this? How much old man this I send me request? And you must send me request, you know. I wonder if him thinks say Mark land this.
Then she come with one video one time. Don't listen to me, baby, please. Then she come with one video, boy. I go to the gym, and I go to the gym. When we go up on our YouTube and dig up her file, the girl take one tea when you ballerina tea.
You not tell me, come and know the green tea.
Ballerina tea. Not
Me
a
know
blood
it.
clot gym. Ballerina tea. We make sure Google the pussy clot tea and see what
They
is.
They make your
It
shit.
make your shit thank you. Urban, you only can trick TikTok, you can't trick me. My might not have the diploma and the bachelor's them where you have, but you cannot trick
The
me.
bachelor?
Me don't know what the woman say, me can't bother. She only,
She not the ammunition.
no, watch her, somebody remind me. Only say she favor she puffy favor him fridge. Yes! My baby father said Urban back big like him fridge where him two-door fridge where him have. Yes.
Oh God. So Urban that boy like say she knows sus about everybody.
She don't know no sus about me, Shebada, because when she come talk pan her, but she come talk pan a little story time, she not no story. Miss Piggy, oink, oink. But she woman, she favor Smurf.
And you know me like that picture you better than she know.
Me like that picture they better.
Yeah, that
I'm like
she
the picture
know.
with
God know.
Me like the picture with the tired drawers too. When she take a picture that, yes.
Shay, I want to show it to see, but I can't afraid TikTok
You
lock it
can't
down.
show it. Yeah, you cannot show it. You
Me
can't
see
show
if-
it. TikTok will lock you down.
You see Uraban?
Our drawers tired.
Didn't you see her belly fever when we used to go Doncaster with the tube?
See her in the mirror, but she depend and all up breast so. I take
Yeah.
picture.
Young girl. See her?
Young girl like a ya wall up breast so. What make your breast them have to reach a year neighbor make you have to catch them up. So see her like she just go so and lift them up in her chest and stay so. See her on the camera.
You put out too much effort. Remember, you're not used to that. Your chest them and a labor right now.
Yes.
Remember, you put out too much effort. Girl with long titty
you're
can come
right.
so.
You're right, yes. Remember me not them up there, cause up there.
No. Remember Urban Barney with pinks and Pablos. So she have
Remember me
one
not them.
material.
So, me say the woman favor Shrek Fiona wife. I'm Shrek wife, Fiona.
It's true. And she
Yes.
has
She favor Shrek wife for true Fiona.
Any girl we can't hold up them stay bad can't talk to me. You're supposed to can't hold up your stay bad. Own it up.
I don't do the woman not no more than me and K upon live and K say, Shay, them say me stay bad. I say, no, you look good for 2K.
No,
you know, she
Kay,
said,
if Kay is stay bad, me that tell her.
yes, so I said to her, say, anybody say that the bad mind. The woman come for me. Me never know what she said, Shebada. Me never know. Me just said the case, say, anybody say that? Bad mind for say you stay bad. I never know see how she said. The woman well go click live come for me. But Shay, she trying to give me a compliment, but disrespecting my woman. Here or no, Shebada. Shay is a pretty girl, you know. I don't know why you never take up one butch. What we can say, yeah, would have left for husband for that butch there. I tell you one, tell me say you want
yeah,
fuck girl. I tell you one, tell me say you want fuck girl. I tell you one, tell me say you want to fuck girl, but you, no girl no want you for fuck. And that. Piggy oink oink. I tell you one, tell me a story. Because you tell me, say, if one nice, good-looking butch come around you, that means for your husband, your little retarded husband get left.
That's what
that tell me.
Our husband favor Batman. It's not
man,
and it must have to be a Batman.
Down syndrome.
Yeah. They never make marriage adapt way. They never do it. No marriage never adapt us. None. Yeah. Remember we never forced to marry early like Mary? Afternoon, good as. Remember we never forced to marry early like Mary, though? And then you want to sit up on the internet and argue with girl. Remember say you're up too early. You're up too early. Go check out if you have womb cancer. And that if you go check out Uraban if you have womb cancer. Remember you're up too early. Go do your medical studies and you find out when you start look early and take out early, you're prone to have womb cancer. Womb cancer. Me not ask you. Go check out if you have womb cancer. So when you're still gonna argue with people, you can't produce nothing good. Let us talk about we drop out of your pum pum. So when you talk about me, look like me want to ensure Uraban come here. You shouldn't call this in your mouth. At this puff you. At this make you stretch out the wedding gown and you have to marry in a drape. This make wedding gown could fit you. And this make you have only for your son. Stay away. Stay away from this. You drink this from your young. From your young. Lionel, she drink this, but I want to ensure. Ask anybody for my program. I'm afraid of you. Ask anybody for my program. Me ever run down this yet? Ask anybody for my program. Me ever run down that size there yet? Ask anybody for ya. So if me ever run down that size there yet? You say this a Kilimanjaro. This produce this. And you want to argue with me? She doesn't want to answer. You drink too much. You make me scared. Me say, Uraban did have to cuss K. Because when Kate go back go touch her body another time, when Kate go back go touch her body another time and Uraban see it, Uraban say, my, when me go reach this so, and now you alone have 3 passport, fly to Turkey. The Jamaican passport must can carry go Turkey. Good God man, Andrew make deals. Yeah, fly to Turkey. My friend Lionel drive plane because him not fly it in him drive it and sometimes him wash off the wheel. Let him book you because him not go cook you and a rum. Let him book you. Every girl a touch themselves. Every girl a touch themselves. The moment you touch yourself by losing weight, go fix yourself. Go fix your loose skin. Your skin them loose. If you ever walk naked in a breezy time, I saw we see things that flow. Yeah, move from here so your skin full of share. Yeah, a chiffon skin you have, chiffon. Yeah? A K-body a badar, and nobody don't see that. K-body a badar. K-body. You do your body for fitting in the wedding dress, and when she look on for your wedding picture, she just have to dress like she a nun. Then what you expect from a little chubby? What you expect? Who know the commercial we used to go on TV? On TVJ, chubby, 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 chubby. Yeah. Who know that? You know the little soda them. Come like them. Chubby and Pep Up did come out same time. Wanna remember the chubby now? Yeah, man. See them? See chubby, yeah? If you put a hat on her head now, you get the man on the bottle. Put a hat on her head, you get the man on the bottle. Look on it. Who remember the chubby bottle? Look on this and put a cap on it and tell me if you don't get the man on the bottle. Okay? Alright. Alright. So the things say I lie me I tell now. Then she in a class. Alexa!
I'm Alexa, and I respond when you say my name. There are lots of things we can do together. Ask me to tell you a joke, read you a book, listen to music, or play a game.
I'm not saying a name like that. I live with one. I live with one. You see, them some of them get them mixed up, you know. Because I talk to you this and she answer not take me on. Lord, you see how trouble I say like rain, I should have bring an umbrella. Yes, come here, K. Let me tell you the truth. No girl on the internet now go tell you say you check out Uraban, you check her out. Which one of my phone them mix up? Which one of my phone them? Which one of my phone them mix up? Oh, check your phone. Now make Martin hype you up. That's it, see the body, yeah?
Playing from Keith's A71.
Then anybody not look good, man. Then why Ivan never make a body stay? Then you can imagine if the water they around, then I almost stink, man. Can remember so she infect him. I should have that. Then nobody no look good. It swell now, so when you go down, it go look. And when it swell, you're supposed to can't see it. I just shape me attack, you know. I just shape me attack, so when you go down, you're not still the same way. The attack says swell now. When going to that system, she better wear far, she better wear the far and the waist trainer to keep down that shit. She gotta push that down. Ah, Jesus, Ivan, why you do that? You look a little better than before though, but I think you'd come out different. You look like them stretch you this time. Yeah man, you look like them get a little sink in her back too. Then if this swell, I'm not seeing her hip, she not doing her hip. Then the hip will come later. I don't know if it's about everybody here, man. I don't know if it's about it's complicated. Yeah. Who this? Girl thief Alex. Nobody know girl thief Alex. I own name girl thief Alex. Alex, man, thief all my mama from me, you know. Oh. You're a girl thief. Ah, man. Yeah, okay. How only for things one talking at the argument, okay, but them a cut me. Okay, let me tell you, you win the cussing. Number one, Uraban fat and flappy disc in front time. Remember the emoji belly. Remember Uraban never do not talk and clip. Remember Uraban come from a fat little girl. When you look for an urban picture, urban mother gear we're very young. All differences aside. You push the man differences aside. You push the mate differences aside. You push your differences aside. And it's just the baby you celebrate. Me nothing like you're more than urban. As vulgar as you be, you're more than urban for true. After your child, okay, you're more than urban. You're more than urban for true, okay? Urban say, my child is in the room snoring. Where is your child? Okay? Tell her where your child is. Tell her where your child is, because nobody never hear urban child as snore yet. Who on the light can tell me say them ever say urban and hold up a baby or artistic child? Who on the light can tell you say urban about child and say one of the people my baby about? Who on the light? The sir from overseas in the Middle East? Please. Oh. Urban rather show her husband than an artistic child. If you're proud of your baby, if you're proud of what drop out of your body, as a clean mother, as a good mother, as a mother will bring forth anything special, show us your child. Laugh up with your child. Laugh up with your child. We're not full of make-believe and picture taking. Sir from the Middle East? Yeah, we're not full of picture taking and make-believe. We must stop it. Stop it. You can say you're under 10 years of marriage and you're timing, so where is your husband? Everything you Photoshop. For a young girl, me not gonna tell you no like take it. Alright. Yeah. No, for true. You ever see some young people with fat it and them nice? Talk truth, you not even see them fat. I have a friend named Trudy where me and her do play. Me say through the shape bad. To me, Rosalie's shape a little bit better than Trudy, you know. To me, Rosalie's shape a little bit better than Trudy, but you know, say nobody cannot stand up in my presence and say Trudy's shape bad, and say Trudy is this girl and that girl. She has a personality. Oh God, man. She has a personality, but may I tell you, say, trust me, you can't. You look, I know you don't see her shape. All I know you don't see her shape. You just have to big up Trudy and say this is a nice girl. And everybody born for shape good, you know. God believe me, is not everybody born for shape good. Just like when everybody born for pretty. But you see, when you know you have certain flaws, don't let it work for you. Work against it. Be the nicest thing. Lick out your flaws. When people say you're ugly, and all we could have been pretty, God believe me, but that cannot cramp me. Because my ugly, my personality sweet, no blow out. Then you can't tell me say my nose big. You can't tell me say my nose big and you have fight to come near me. And you know say me taking all of the ear them before you. Go on, yeah. Through my personality, you're willing to stifle yourself beside me. Yeah. Any old Urban was a comfortable little girl. She would have get up this morning, put on her sneakers and go jog off between her leg. Jog off between her leg. And she argue with people. She who married in her teens and she never in a church. That was the child a Christian. She was burning with passion. Then you can tell nobody. I see the woman sit down and I let them come so. Blood all. And she's a go-getter. Once she get going, she start getting. So, you look for love in her, you look for your father's love in her, your husband. And him not give because the man don't know for be a daddy. And you, guess what? You never get no love from your mother, so you don't know how to show it to your artistic child. So you have to come on the internet, I read the intimate and show how torment you be, and you alone have 3 passports and miserable. Fly up and down, fly up and down. Fly 3 passports. And people who don't have none around border, fly up and down. That's why I tell the girl on the internet, say anybody will follow you sad like you are miserable and torment and can't find them christening paper. I tell them that every single day. Anybody will follow you up and cheer you on, torment like you. For true, you showcase 3 passports, I will see you sit down daily like me. Daily, and you're legal, Ivan, you're legal, and you walk up and down, drive up and down, so till Tracy I look fair for me. Ivan, go in. And then they matter about session, robot K, you can't robot K, because you have 3 passports and sit down and watch the man when you want you, because you look for daddy. You look for daddy, because mommy gave you away. I don't think you did not say you got married, and I think she did say you go somewhere with your daddy. I don't think she did not say you are married. I don't think you did know that too. Yeah? I don't think so. You never get a daddy's love, so you try finding a man for 10 years, you sit down under this. For 10 years, you sit down under reject. No man, you sit down under rejection for 10 years. And you want to entertain people, go entertain your house. Go entertain your matrimonial home, you give more attention to the internet than you give to your artistic child. Nobody now hold you accountable. As a wife and a mother, you give more attention to the internet more than you give to your artistic child. Yeah? Let me say this to you again, Uraban. You get more attention from the internet than you get from your husband. And then you are both about marriage, man. You should have up, skip and jump. You should have into infidelity. Can your man not pay no mind? I don't think God has seen you for sex out of your marriage. Yeah. I don't think God will charge you. If you know say you're married and you have sex somebody out of your marriage, I don't think He will charge you because He know neglect when He see it. Yeah, she's very sad. Remember, she never. How can you marry very young? And I know I don't see her father at the wedding. All I know, I don't see her father at the 4 people wedding, 4 smarty wedding. All I know, and you want to cuss girl on the internet who get mommy and daddy love. Remember, your skin soft and you alone do gastric bypass and never clip your skin. You should drop your skin like material and clip it. You should have laid down on one tailor table. Remember say all of your fat tucked down in your jeans, you know, like clothes, like shirt in your pants. Remember say you tuck in your fat. Always remember say your fat them talk and nobody now ask, what you do with the little girl puff? Where you do with the little girl puff? Where is it? Where am it? Where am them? Where you do with the little girl puff? Your mother give you away in your teens. I never see human trafficking in my farm so yet. Your mother gave you away. Your mom gave you away as a little girl. A little girl. You don't have a mother's love, so you don't know for sure to your artistic son. You never get a mother's love, so you don't know how to show it to an artistic child where you birth. And you never urban mother girl with the girl on the internet don't like you, okay? Them don't like you, so them go want to go on urban side. But the truth of the matter is, me not tell, me see urban wedding pic, me not tell a lie. Uraban favor my church sister when she are baptized. Me not ask you no, nothing about Uraban. Uraban live a fake life. Uraban mother give away as a child. Uraban remind me of one of them African children. For true, Uraban mother dash away as a child. You know see Uraban picture? Look at this young little girl. People, look at this young little girl. Fat and chubby, fat and chubby. Make us see if I can find the video. Martina, where you send me the video again? Lord Jesus, I don't know why Martin must send me the things them all over the globe. Yeah, Martin, boy, I tell you, say Martin, sometimes Martin complication. Why not give mackerel all of them trouble here? Eh? Why not give foresight all of them here? Why me, Lord? Why me? Must can see it in here, so. Another phone here, Martin said, kakafat, another phone here. Little mouse, my show no my man them something. Another phone here, I get it in here, I laugh. Then you can imagine. Then look here now, people, what are them? When you recover, you keep quiet. When you are a recovery baby, you keep quiet. Then this really can't. When you do with all of them excess skin, you never clip it. Move from yourself with your floppy this. Look how the girl look young and innocent. Then you turn out to be a termite. Answer the question. Low self-esteem a beat you from your inner blanket. At this we are talking about. At this we are talking about. Your mother gave you very young. Very young. You are take cocky very young. From when you are 6, 7. At this we are talking about Uraban. This very innocent little girl. Look at you. Innocent and ingredients. Look there, your favorite kitchen. Yeah. At this we are talking about. Me say I would have shown how bad she stay, you know, for cuss nobody, you know. I try do one TikTok back the live. I would have showed them how bad you stay. Look at your floppy dicks, but I posted those speak when I was on my weight loss journey. You have with me have gas. Girl like you not for argue with people, honestly. I want to show them picture you see, but I don't want TikTok ban me for nudity. Look how you separate. Look how you separate. I see why you have low self-esteem. You have to have low self-esteem. Watch Uraban husband now. Uraban me not tell like your husband favor me. Your husband favor me, Shay, I idiot. I idiot, Uraban. Your husband have a batty smile. Him not proud, see me? Like, what the hell am I doing here? Yeah. Your husband a question, watch it. Your mother and you look more proud. Yeah. That earring look bad by your door. You look nice as a little girl. Under the filter. You're brown out. You know a filter this. How long till your breast them drop? Yeah. Somebody say him handsome. Which part? Him not handsome. And him not ugly. The boy upon the borderline. Him do handsome. Him do handsome and him do ugly. The boy is on the borderline. A long time your mother give away now. I wonder if I molest you. Other one you can't get over. And you say, me want some ensure. You got a little too much ensure, my baby. You just got a little too much milk. Yeah. When people see them say got milk, you got a little too much ensure.